welcome to Storytiki Readalouds once again. I wonder which story it's going to be today. Let me give you a hint. It is about an animal which says woof woof woof. Yes, you got it. It's about a dog. And that dog's name is Fidget. And he is a very naughty dog. Let's see why. Fidget, the naughty puppy dog. So Fidget was a dog who lived on a farm. So Fidget, the sheepdog puppy, scratched his ear. Then he chased his tail and he cleaned his bottom and scratched his ear again. Fidget was always fidgeting. Can you see him? Fidget, fidget, fidget. One morning after breakfast, Farmer Fred led Fidget out into the farmyard. "It's time to start your training," he said. Fidget just fidgeted. He didn't like being trained. First, it was time to learn how to walk to heel. But Fidget thought the butterflies looked lots more fun and scampered after them. Then it was time to learn how to watch the sheep really closely. But Fidget had found a lump of something much more interesting. Sniff, 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 he went, rolling around in it. Can you see him having so much of fun? Next, it was time to learn about herding the sheep. "Here, boy," cried Farmer Fred, whistling to Fidget. Come here, Fidget. Come here." But where was Fidget? Fidget was trying to catch a frog. Boing went the frog and boing went Fidget after the frog. Can you see him there? Oh my God. Just then, Fidget spotted the farm cat sitting on the gate. "Woof, woof, 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 woof," barked Fidget, running after the cat and scaring the sheep, which scattered in all directions. Did you see that? Oh no. He is supposed to bring all the sheep together, but instead he has scattered all the sheep. Oh, Fidget. Poor Farmer Fred. "I wish Fidget would behave," he said to himself. "Sheepdogs are meant to be nimble," he thought. But Fidget was very clumsy. "They're meant to do as they're told," he sighed. But Fidget never did. "They're meant to herd the sheep," moaned Farmer Fred. But Fidget tried to catch everything else but the sheep. Wonder whether Fidget will ever learn. "And sheepdogs are meant to run like the wind," Farmer Fred grumbled. But Fidget just frolicked like a new spring lamb. He didn't want to learn anything about being a sheepdog. Let's see what happens next. One night, after a hard day of training, Farmer Fred was in bed, snoring loudly. Fidget was busy fidgeting, trying to get comfy. Just then, Fidget heard a baa, and then another baa, and another baa, and lots of baa, 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 baa. The sheep sounded worried. What happened? Suddenly, Fidget was alert. He pricked up his ears and listened. He leapt quickly and nimbly from the bed. He squeezed out of the cat flap and dashed outside into the night. Look at him go. He ran like the wind to the sheep's field and was just in time to see a big grey wolf. And you know what the wolf was doing? It was creeping through the long grass towards one of the new lambs. Look! And Fidget knew just what to do. Woof, 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 went Fidget, scaring the wolf, who was so surprised that he ran away into the woods. Then Fidget did everything a perfect sheepdog should. Farmer Fred had meantime he had woken up and he looked out from the window. And he watched in amazement as Fidget herded the sheep to safety. Fidget was a hero! Now, Fidget knows how to be a good sheepdog. He still has the occasional fidget, just like you, but he is the very best sheepdog that Farmer Fred has ever owned. That's Fidget for you. Bye, Fidget. See you next time. So, you know what's coming up next, right? Let's make our very own Fidget the puppy in the next video. Till then, bye. See you.